Welcome to the Tea of the Day Part 2. After my slight fail on the hot chocolate of the day, we're going on to a nice passion fruit tea. Ooh, passion fruit, or Passionfruit, since we're in Austria. Oh, I am in love with this tea right now. This is some mighty good stuff. Now passion fruit tea is supposed to be good for your immune system, your digestion. It's supposed to actually be good for stress and anxiety. This is some really good stuff, and it tastes freaking phenomenal. Oh yeah, I'm in love with this. Also, I used one of those tea bags. I wish I had it with me at the moment. That is an actual proper tea bag, where it's a silk tea bag. It's shaped like a triangle, and it still has the loose leaf in it. So, passion fruit tea.